Hello guys, this is Salman. Today I will show you this image manipulation. This video is going very interesting. If you are a new visitor in my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and make a like. Let's get started friend. I'll show you the image manipulation process step by step. Friends, I have three model, a bulb, water and fish. Now time to start. You have to click Photoshop and new. You can take any kind of size, international size, US paper size or other. Here I am taking pixel. You have to follow my steps, color mode RGB and OK. And full screen mode. Now I have to open this 3 model in my Photoshop. At first I'm taking my bulb in the main page. After then water and my fish model. You have to go the layer and off the layer 2 and 3 and layer 1 should make full screen with Ctrl T. And then you have to fix this area with brush tool. You can remove with rubber tool also. I am taking my brush tool and I have make a settings. Take this brush size. You can make any kind of size and opacity must 60 and paint. You are looking that the bulb inside object are removing. It's not removing, it's paint by brush tool. You can also remove, but I am not removing my model. After then you have to open the ocean and its opacity should be low. It will help you make this properly in your image. You are looking that. After then you have to remove all extra sides. You can use pen tool or polygon lasso tool. Here I am use polygon lasso tool for make my work fast. And you also use the eraser tool with this same settings. Opacity 60. Opacity full. Brush type is strong and remove. The water background. Here I am use my pen tool. You have to mask of your fill color and stroke color. With pen tool you have to make selection. My pen tool work is complete and press Ctrl Enter and it will select and it make a new shape, and you have to go layer 2 for removing this object background. Then delete press and this shape also be deleted. And its opacity should be 100%. And you have to remove this area for making this bulb realistic. With rubber tool you have to remove this area for make the bulb realistic. So paint carefully and its opacity also down for make your work good. Looking that I'm paint the bulb area very carefully. My work is complete almost, and I'm increasing my opacity. But some background color is not removed properly, and I'm giving the finishing touch. And this watercolor is not pure blue. For making this watercolor pure blue, you have to go filter and camera raw filter and camera option and increase the blue level. Looking, this is looking very nice, and then you have to on your goldfish and you should remove the goldfish background, and I am select the magic tool and press delete, and my goldfish is ready. You have to place it very carefully with your image size and bulb size. I am place it and goldfish is very attractive. For this reason you have to take a new layer in front of the goldfish and the layer 4, and you have to take a rectangle tool and select this color. You are looking and select this color and layer option. Looking, and I have to remove I think I have to decrease the opacity and it's look perfect. And then you have to select the rectangle or layer 4, make it soft light and opacity 100. Okay, so that opacity 100, and you are looking that my image manipulation is ready and this is final. You can make image manipulation with this process. If you are thinking the video is very good, please hit the subscribe and make a like. Thank you everyone.